Hi, welcome to XfilesPro. Today we are going to show you the latest version of the XfilesPro, and if you see, this is the screen that you see once you install the application. Uh, it's the main Manage Content tab, which has been totally revamped in our new interface. If you see, you have the link type, the file name, the created date. You can sort it uh, the way you want, on the created date and everything. There's a sorting option you have. If you see on the left hand side, there's a filter option which has been given where it say that currently, I just set the Dropbox, uh, and currently everything, all the files are going into Dropbox. You can see the number of files that is being uploaded into Dropbox. You can see the status, which files are linked, which files are not linked. Unlinked are something which has not been attached to any attachment document or something. It's just been uploaded into Salesforce and yet to be used, which might be later in the stage where I want to just add it to the account or opportunity or something. So you can just filter in those areas. Okay, tell me what are the unlinked files and show me what are the linked files. You can see all this, and then if you don't want, you can just reset it back. There are various filters called attachment filter. If you only want to see all the files that is only went to the attachment, you can see all the files. If I want to see only the content, you can see all this. So, and also this is all dynamically shown where all the files are stored. Attachment is 6. Now we only have 8 files here, out of which 6 is an attachment, 2 are unlinked. So that's how it is. And you can also sort on the image, document, presentation, the type of content that is there. You can sort it out. You have options to go previous, back, next, and do all this kind of moving forward and going back and do that. Here you have an option to upload the file, but before we go to upload, I just want to showcase you the application settings. We also given this time one of the three settings. The Salesforce layout is more like, oh, I just want to go back to my Salesforce layout. If you click on that, if you just go back to the same Salesforce layout, the home page part. Then comes the settings. If you see, settings is place where the administrator basically comes here and do this setup of this application. Now here if you'll find there are two options. One is application settings, and here you can set up as a organization level kind of settings, user level settings, profile level settings. Let's say, oh, I want to have administrator have access to all this manage tab, lot of links, and etc, etc, but you want to give a user only a specific privilege wherein he just need to do attachment within the using only the xfile attach within any object. It doesn't need to do all this manage and everything because it doesn't do that. So that here you get the options, what the users can do, what the administrator can do. You can set this up. So if you see the number of options here, there's an option you can say, okay, what is the number of files I need to limit? I don't want people to just add drag and drop then 100 files or something. So you can restrict the number of files you can upload. You can also restrict the number of MBs that you want your users to be uploading it. The maximum is 150 MB that was given here, so you can restrict the number of MB as well. You have an option to do a link upload. Let's say you have something in the YouTube that has been uploaded and you wanted to share that as an opportunity to somebody or to an account. You can do that as well. You have an option to say which all things has to be on. I want it to give to attachments. I want to make sure it can give as a document or as a feed item. So depending on that, you will get that opportunity option there. This can manage is whether you want to give that manage option to your users. If you offer it, you won't see that manage tab where somebody can manage this files and everything. Can upload, somebody just wanted to ensure that they just come and view the files. They don't want you to upload it, so you can restrict that as well. Can do the setup. Some of the users you want to give a little bit of administrator setup wherein they can come and do the setup, and just you can click it on and for that particular user. Delete permission on the remote file. This is one good thing which it depends again on the administrator where he can opt. If somebody wants to delete from Salesforce, do you really want that to be deleted from the external server? Yes, if you need to do that, you also have an option to that here. Configure folders. You can specify a generic configuration saying that, oh, I want to make sure that all the files that comes create an organization name, yeah, and then B, all the files be line there. So you can do that as well here, and then put everything under one folder. You can set that up here. Manage folders while upload. Yeah, this is also one very good option wherein when the user is trying to upload a file, you can have the option to choose the folder or create a folder within the new location to do that, and you can save the changes here. And coming to the account info, this is where you can set up, the provider. Currently we support Amazon and Dropbox, and here I just set up my Dropbox account and made it active. You can say inactive and active depending on what you want to do. So let's come today. In this video we are going to show how opportunity, we are going to add attachments to opportunity. That's what we're going to showcase here. Let's do that. So I'm coming to, let's say, let's just create one account, new account here. mm, let's say I'm getting a Lisa or Lisa's account. I'm just giving a big number, phone number, or I guess I don't need anything else. I can just say this. So we have an account named Lisa, and then we just want to create a new opportunity for Lisa. So we say the opportunity is Lisa opportunity, and I just want to close it today. And we say that we are still under negotiation or review, and I'm going to save it. Now for this opportunity, we want to make sure, like, we need to give some documents or something. You'll find that this is a XfilesPro attach. This can be anything. We can, in the next release, we're also giving an option to override this attach file. Once you click on this, automatically you will come into the Xfiles page wherein you can use it. So, and again, that is configurable. So let's do this. Let's go and explore attach. You'll see here an option to say that, okay, since I on linked, you can share link to this particular opportunity. You can share files. So let's see. I want to just drag drop few files here. So I just going to go some files, go to some files, and see I have few documents. I have 4 or 5 documents on the product and everything which I want to share to the opportunity. I can just click it, drag it, drop it, and that's it. I say okay, it will go to my default Dropbox. I can put some description like product Xfiles details, and I can say, oh, I want to put all this under this opportunity Lisa folder. Alright, you can do that. You can just create that folder and say I'm all good. I want to all put it in one folder inside the Dropbox, and I just want to upload it. What you see is just moves in, and you also have an opportunity to see, okay, how much it went, and finally when all the upload is over, you'll see it's been all clicked off. So finally, once my files are all uploaded, you will see this will automatically be taking back to your opportunity page, wherein you can see all the files here, what is there. So these are all the files which is actually, if you go to this file, you can see that these are all just a link which is just 158 bytes, but actual file is residing in the Dropbox. And on the Dropbox, if you see, I can go back to the Dropbox. I have also set up Dropbox in my account, and if you see, there's something called opportunity Lisa, and see all my files are staying in the Lisa. So this is the option that we showed you how we had kept it, how we are able to use Salesforce and Dropbox integration, and how I'm able to do a drag drop, do a folder for that particular opportunity, and then finally adding to that particular opportunity. Alright, thank you very much, and thank you.